And then, Nina, yini shaving date? Shaving date, kisilomang, ki transport ako kai. It was never in Engine Taha's syllabus. Shaving date, and it's the fact that I get the shaving of each other. You guys are not even shaving each other in a relationship. It's just you you what's hard. Nelly M did not go to Robben Island for this. Nelly M did not die for this. Shaving day. Gyan amukela kwinkqubo yami bomntu abakadade bomntu abakagogo bomntu abaka-aunty bomntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Happy Monday, everybody. It is the second week of December and we are still going strong and pumping out content, okay? I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Tools. Yes, it's me, Tools. My best friend in my head is asking us to take Yena to 10,000 subscribers because we can do it. One of my absolute favorite channels here on YouTube, the vibe, the aesthetics, giving. Also a judge. Yeah, we have a whole judge on the Style Awards promoting their channel here. So please go and watch Tools, subscribe, and tell.
So much Sims. Hey, management. Now, people always stop me in the streets and they say to me, hey, aren't you? And I say, yes, it's me, Tools. I'm here to invite you to be a part of my online community called the Girly Pops. The Girly Pops love traveling to exotic locations. We love amazing restaurants. We love amazing things and luxurious things. So if you like that, please come over and subscribe to my channel. Oh, and if you love vlogs, Beyonce, 90s R&B, you're going to love my vlogs. So make sure you subscribe to me and I can't wait to see you in the comments.
Guys, what are they doing there in Mzumbe? And why are they still involving Vuyokazi's name? Vuyokazi has had it up to here, okay? In her latest Facebook post, she is clearing up the rumors that she used to insult Umayeni. As you all know that Vuyokazi has 2 children with Usbindi. Who is Usbindi? The lever of trying to have Istembu with no budget or funds or even rings or proper titles. The lever of having is Tembu Sama girlfriend, which is non-existent by the way, but that's the lever. Sbindi, aka Mpumelelo Mseleku, son of Mseleku and Mayeni, right? Remember that his first girlfriend had 2 children with him and she broke up and went to marry another Mgulugudu who showed her fire. Then she went to Turkey, not to eat the Turkey chicken, but when she came back, yeah, she became someone that is hotter, smokier, fierier. Not that she was not beautiful before, but now she's beautifulier, more Aliyah. Yeah, so she's definitely not Mpumenelo's type. And her type is not typical. It's just, anyway. So, Ankara, you know that Utano Nestembu is back and cut. So obviously her name came up and it was said that she was insulting Umayeni. And she had to come on Facebook and say, guys, I never insulted the grandmother of my children. In fact, there was a fake account created with my name and pictures that was insulting Umayeni, right? This was so stressful that I almost lost my daughter. I was even accused of causing a miscarriage of another girlfriend while at the time I was going through my own pregnant in my own stomach, right? My pregnancy was difficult. And then the next thing, it was me insulting Umayeni, which never happened because it was done by a fake account. Okay? And then Mr. Mselek, who is the grandfather of my children, came out and found the person behind the fake account. They apologized to Vuyokazi even for causing her the stress and blaming her and saying that she was the one insulting Mayeni when she didn't insult Mayeni. And then after that, apologies were made towards her, and then she and Mpumelelo went back to doing the private part collaborations. Yeah, the Vinky Vonko, which didn't last too long because Ankere, Tirelo came, Amahle came, Khobangata, Khoba busy, and Vuyo was like, I'm out of this. But yeah, she's like, she's done addressing this. She has never insulted her, I almost said mother-in-law, but it takes Lobola. And no, not babies. Babies don't grant you a mother-in-law. No, they don't. The mother of her grandchildren, she never insulted her, and it was cleared up on social media because that's where they said it happened on social media. So please, let's not bring her this. She wants to focus on her figure and eat December nice as a single woman. So I think some group of you guys, Vuyo, nyakuzwa Kholi, ho. Okay, can we talk about this? What the hell? What the hell, Yonte? Is a shaving date?
Okay, so I just came back from a shaving date. You guys know what it is, like when you guys link up to just shave each other a bit. So now I come back from this shaving date, and it's like, bro, I just realized that how much I prioritize her compared to how she prioritizes me. I made sure everything is smooth on her side. Everything is smooth. She was feeling herself, but with me, she left a whole half, bro. And it's like, if now someone else sees that, how are they gonna look at me? How are they gonna like take me? How are they gonna respect me? Like a whole.
Did you just hear what I just heard? I think I'm the first in my bloodline or in my generation that has ever heard this. So you guys are meeting up not at the restaurant, not at the coffee shop, but to shave each other. And you guys are not each other's significant other. Niyenzani lapho? So you sit like this, and then someone who is not your waxer, it, and then there your birth equipment is out there for your date, and then you are shaving your date, and then that's all it is. Neshavana. Kshefondon. Hmm? No, hair. Why did they sell it in Pick and Pay? What about Vit? What about those shaving things as a pick? They're not good enough anymore. Hurry, you go now and meet up and shave each other as a date. Are we out of activities? Is netball not recruiting? Is soccer not recruiting? Shaving day. In my bloodline, as I sit here, ankazi, aluyiva sana lwam, ndiqala uyiva. And I think Anya can pin and give. And then he speaks about it so like yini. I want this English word, echo, like not loosely, man. It's just for lack of a better word. I'll just like he speaks about it so like frivolously. Yes. Thank you, Angie. So frivolously, like it's something that we know about and it's something that's a regular occurrence. Nina,